Chad Thompsonville. Today we're installing these beautiful black side skirts on the Integra.
That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad.
Thanks.
But you didn't tell him what kind of side skirts it was.
I don't know, dude.
Anyways, guys, we got some PCI side skirts today.
St. Cloud Posse side skirts.
It only took me like 3 weeks to get them, but you know what? I'm happy I did get them. Because today we got nothing else better to do on a beautiful Sunday than just to throw it on my car. I have a massive gap where my side skirts should be, and this is going to be pretty dope. So what we got to do first is mount the brackets up to the side skirts. We'll hold them up to the car, and you actually have to drill some mounting bolt holes. Let me see here. These guys here, you got to drill 2 holes for each bracket. There's 3 brackets on each side. So that means there's 6 holes each on each side that you're gonna have to drill. And then just kind of drill into this lip here. So we'll just go ahead and we'll just drill 2 holes, 2 holes, 2 holes. Mark them where they need to go first, obviously, but that's how we're gonna do it. What do you think?
I think they're gonna look nice, man.
I think they're gonna look dope with the black wheels. I think the black wheels will look sick.
Yeah.
So, anyways, let's get to it. Yeah, dude, that's gonna look really good. Like once you put the hardware and everything on there. I like how it's got like this little flap right there. But the thing is, it makes that dent look so much more visible, dude.
Dude, just pop that out, dude.
Just pop that. Hell yeah, that's gonna look sick, dude. Alright, you're good. Just kind of get an idea what it'll look like. I think it'll look really good. I'm excited.
It looks so cool.
Wow.
Yeah, paint came with it.
Alright guys, so we got the mounts, or the brackets all mounted up. As you can see here, it sits flush here, but if you come to the front and you look at the front, it sticks out like a good 1/2 inch. And I'm actually hitting on my fender right there. So what I done is I done mask taped it. Done mask taped it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just trim just that little bit out with like an angle grinder. That way it clears all this here, and that way it'll actually sit flush with the car. So we're gonna get the angle grinder out and bust that out. Put this down so I can. Let's go throw it back on the car and see how that fits. I can go back up with my flat disc and trim all that out. But should sit flush now, or more flush. I might have to do a little bit more. Who knows?
Got to go more forward. Right there.
Oh, she's closer. Definitely not as bad. I'll have to do more.
Like a 1/4 inch more.
Yeah. It's definitely closer though. Oh. All right. Alright, so we got the front bracket on. Now it kind of just holds up by itself, but kind of get the idea what it's going to look like. So the way I'm marking where I need my brackets, I just put a piece of tape around the brackets and then climbed up underneath the car here. You can see here. If we can get Eric maybe as another eye, can you make sure that the side skirt sits where we want it? That it matches the front? You know what I mean? So can you like, I need to make sure the rear isn't sticking out past the front. I want to make sure it sticks out the same all the way down the car. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that looks pretty, does that look close?
That looks close.
Close or? Yeah, I like that. Alright, so now that I kind of got it to where I want, I got my Sharpie. Climb back up underneath the car here. Oops, excuse my fingers. Alright, so now I can see the bracket, where the bracket's sitting. I'm just going to take my Sharpie. And I'm just going to mark it all the way down. So that's where I want to. Now I can take it apart and put this bracket back on. Now I know how far the bracket needs to sit in. And then, let me see here. Just that way the bracket, in case the bracket moves. Oh, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. My bad. There we go. So I just marked it like that. We'll just do a little line here. Just in case the bracket moves, I know where it was. It's kind of hard to film and do this at the same time, but... There, you guys get the idea. Kind of like that. So now we'll go ahead and we'll pull it back off. This little kid's killing it, dude. I used to have one of these when I was a kid. That thing's cool, huh? Alright, so we'll go ahead and we'll take it back off, and then we'll get this bracket done. And then I'll go ahead and line up the middle one to where I want it. I just want to make sure that it's even all the way down. That way it's not like poking out in the front and then sitting inside on the rear or anything. So we'll go ahead and get this knocked out real quick.
Keep going. Damn, son.
What about my battery? Dude, you can't even see it on video. You can't.
Yeah, it looks a lot better. I mean, you really can't make it bend in. So.
I mean, it's aluminum. I can make it bend anywhere. But it doesn't sit.
Right here doesn't match everything else. But this is.
Well, that's because I have a dent in my door.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
If I didn't have a dent in my door, it'd be flush.
I think that's about as good as it's gonna look.
Because up front, when I first put it on, it stuck out like a ½ inch.
Oh yeah.
Now it's... Oh, fuck, that dent doesn't help.
Yeah.
See, it's like flush, 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 flush. Boom!
Yeah, this is like the biggest, yeah, for sure. The crease line is like here to here, but at the same time, it's...
It takes away your monster.
Damn, dude, it looks a lot better with side skirts on there. It doesn't look like 4x4 status no more.
Yeah, it don't look like a monster truck no more.
Oh, yeah. Just rushing it in.
I like it.
Don't worry about your aeration, Sean. Just rush it in.
I like it.
Good.
Both of y'all are the problem. Really, I'm the problem.
Are you really fucking letting that down by your core sport?
It's got a jack pad there for a reason. Really?
Yeah, sometimes you gotta get a car level before you can actually jack it up. Being the gap insurance between your rear wheels.
Oh, God.
Yeah, you gotta go up, Chad, not down.
Alright, it's off.
Is it though?
Damn.
Oh! Alright, I'm done. How's it look?
Looks sick, dude. I
Yeah,
like
it's a
it.
lot better not having anything on there at all, huh?
Yeah.
100%.
God. That, like, makes it look completely different.
Yeah. I wish they were white.
It's like a lot less monster trucky now. Looks sick.
Kind of like flows with the wheels. But
Yeah, that's what
it needs.
that's what I was saying. I was like, instead of paint matching them, I think it looks good black because it matches my wheels.
I'd rather it be white, but at the same time, it's not bad.
Nope.
It flows.
Yeah, looks good, man.
Probably raise the back a ton here, make the front come down.
No, I just need to slam it. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Appreciate y'all watching. We got the side skirts installed.
Still bitch though.
He's a hoe. Anyways, we got the side skirts installed and everything. Super happy with how they came out. If y'all have any questions about how to install them, leave your questions down in the comment section below. If you like what you saw, make sure you smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. We're going to get out of here because it's about to storm. Hopefully it doesn't hail. But anyways, guys, like I said, don't forget to subscribe. We got a lot more awesome content coming up. And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. We'll freaking see y'all later.